Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel once again. In this video we will learn about human resource management, but in this chapter or in this session we will only learn the definition of HRM, need of HRM and importance of HRM. I have brought the learning objectives over here. Definition, need, importance, objectives, scope, functions and nature of human resource management, but in this video we will cover only the definition, need and importance of human resource management. What is human resource management? In concise we can say human resource management is nothing but managing the human beings within an organization or to fulfilling the organizational goals is human resource management, but this is very concised. We can understand with the help of Edwin V. Filippo's definition. This is definition which is very exhaustive and which covers all the human resource management's dimensions. Filippo says that human resource is planning, organizing, directing and controlling of procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance and separation of human resources to the end that individual, organization and social objectives are accomplished. So, Filippo covers all the dimensions like functions and the objectives and the nature of human resource management. Like planning, organizing, directing and controlling are the functions of human resource management, by which managers procure, develop, compensate, integrate, maintain and separate of human resources to the end by which individual, organizational and social objectives can be accomplished. So these functions are performed to achieve the individual, organization and social goals. What is the need of human resource management? Human resource management is needed to maintain cordial industrial relations. As we know that within an industry there are so many organizations who are performing their respective tasks, but they are competitors of each other. Although they are competitors, but there is indirect relationship among them. So maintaining cordial industrial relationship between the organizations is very important. So in making the cordial industrial relations, human resource management is needed. Building organizational commitment. What is organizational commitment? Whatever the organization has committed to do. This commitment is said to be gaining maximum profit. So human resource management is needed to build the organization commitment. Coping with changing environment. As we know that technology is being changed day by day, so with the changing of in technology, an organization must change itself so that he can cope up with the changing environment. So it is also needed. Changing in political philosophy. As we know that government issues so many types of schemes and policies within an year. Changing the policies or schemes by the government, an organization must change their policies and schemes if needed. So changing in political philosophy, an organization must change itself. So human resource management is needed here. Increasing pressure on employees. If employees are not satisfied with the work, every manager or every organization must try to fulfill all the needs, or all the or give them good environment within the organization, so that they can work effectively. So increasing pressure on employees can be decreased with the help of human resource management. Human resource management is needed to decrease the pressure on the employees. Meeting requirements for research and development. Research and development. Research for opportunities in the society, to build the organization, or to make the organization profits more and more, and develop the employees, or develop the workers who are working within the organization. So for this, human resource management is needed. Importance on national level, social level, corporate level, professional level. On national level, it means we are seeing that every organization is going to deal with the international organizations. So if they are combating with the international organizations, they must study properly the human resource management. So human resource management is needed on the international level or national level. Social level, there is lots of responsibilities of an organization to society. So managing the society, or fulfilling the responsibilities of the society is also important. So human resource management is needed on social level. Corporate level. Within an corporate, human resource are managed. They may be in form of managers, laborers, employees, supervisors, board of directors, all the kinds of humans who are working within an corporation. They must have they are also managed with the help of human resource management. Professional level. All the professionals like doctors, teachers, managers, and auditors, chartered accountants, these are professionals. So human resources needed for them. So this was all about human resource management, the definition, need, and importance. I hope you will learn this and you will grab the important information about human resource management. Thank you for watching.